This is the outlook of the research process. In case you are looking for niches to choose from, there are free tools that can help you to get started. They are number one, promoterkit.com. This is a great website with many valuable tools for keyword research and SEO for completely free. Then you can try Google Trends. Trends based on location and Google searches will be displayed on this website. Then there's Answer the Public, a tool to find what questions people ask about a specific topic. Then there's Answer Socrates. That's also you can use to know what questions people search on Google. Then there's Exploring Topics. It's an alternative for Google Trends with specifically curated results. Then you got tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to do the keyword research. That being said, in case you are planning to build an affiliate marketing business for free or on a tight budget, I would recommend to choose a topic that you love. This will not make you bored or hate writing more than 50 articles on that topic. At the same time, picking a topic you're passionate about will not be enough. It should also have the potential to make you money. Google Trends like tools are great for discovering evergreen niches that will not go away and help you generate an income all year round. Additionally, it is crucial to be aware of the competition to identify the ideal point of entry into the market. You could consider building a blog about web hosting, which can be a lucrative option, but thinking about the amount of capital and the content that is required to compete on the internet, it may not be the best topic for a beginner. Choose a niche with medium competition where there are only few well-established content creators. You could identify a small audience to cater to their needs first, and then you'll be able to expand into other related topics later on. For instance, rather than focusing on a generalized web hosting topic, you could start a blog about building websites for restaurants and focusing on teaching helping professionals in that particular industry first. This will allow you to build more focused community and increase your chances of ranking well on Google. Choosing the best platform is the next step. After deciding on the niche, you need to pick the platform where you're going to host your content and the type of content you are planning to create. Mainly there are two options. First option is to create content on a website or a blog. This is the only step that requires investing a little money because it's essential for affiliate marketing. Both getting a domain name from a domain provider like GoDaddy.com or Namecheap.com. Website hosting where services providers like Hostinger, Wix or Cloudways requires a little investment. But there are a few options to start affiliate marketing for completely free too. The completely free option to begin affiliate marketing as a beginner would be first to select the niche based on the research, then creating theme pages on Pinterest and TikTok to promote affiliate products because this platform seems to be easier to grow up. And then sign up for Canva and create a logo. Then after that you can find good affiliate products on affiliate networks like Impact, ClickBank or Digistore24. For example, if you have chosen the finance niche, you could promote products like Shopify or Robinhood, etc. And so sign up for either Beacons or Linktree to create a page, or with your social media website links together in a single link. This will allow your audience to navigate to wherever they want by you only displaying a single link on your social media. Go through already existing content related to your topic on TikTok and save the ones which seems to have a high engagement rate or views. Now analyze these viral videos you have saved and recreate your own version. You can use Canva to edit videos, and you can use tools like snaptic.com website to remove watermarks on videos easily. It is advised to never copy the content of another creator. You could get inspiration from the videos and recreate your own version of it, but if you don't do that, you will get copyright strikes or worse, getting your account banned. Then repost the videos on your account. Since those types of videos have already gone viral on the platform, there's a good chance that your videos to go viral too. Post about 2 to 4 videos every day on both TikTok and Pinterest accounts. Rinse and repeat the process to see the results. You can also start to write articles for free on medium.com. Just make sure you are following the guidelines on the platform and include an affiliate disclosure in the article. The other option is to upload videos to YouTube. YouTube can be a great platform to build an audience around your brand and to promote affiliate offers to your audience that trusts you. However, there are some cons to starting a YouTube channel. They are like creating videos takes longer than creating content in the written format. This limits the number of content you could create at the beginning of your project. And it is difficult to outsource video production, which becomes harder if you are the face of the brand too. Then there's the difficulty to collect emails, as YouTube does not have a built-in way to store emails of the subscribers, but sending emails is considered to be the most effective way to promote affiliate products and services. Compared to well-optimized blog, getting more clicks on affiliate links is harder to a YouTube video. It would be great to have YouTube channel and a blog, since embedding videos on a blog is known to have an excellent way to boost conversions. However, if you are just a beginner, the easy option would be to begin affiliate marketing via a blog. In what situations can it be a better option? You might ask. If you're planning to enter an ultra competitive niche, YouTube would be a better option. For example, if you're promoting different insurance packages or teaching people about email marketing, as the skill of making videos is harder to master, it will be easier to show your personality and build trust around the audience, which other competitors don't do. Then third one is choosing a profitable affiliate program to promote. Joining an affiliate program is not that difficult, but promoting a huge number of affiliate offers is one of the common mistakes made by affiliate marketing newbies. It is advised to begin with a limited number of affiliate products or services with a reliable demand, good commissions, and solid conversion rates. These are a few ways to choose a great affiliate programs. First one is check the earning potential. The payment scale of affiliate programs varies from program to program. Some programs may offer a few cents per conversion, whereas others may pay hundreds of dollars per lead. The programs which have low payouts are easier to apply and promote. And this makes them appealing, but they require a higher number of conversions to earn a reasonable income. These are a few ways to calculate the affiliate math. First type is high volume but low commission affiliate programs. These can be like Amazon affiliate sites, and to earn about $5,000 monthly from a 5% commission, you have to make $100,000 for Amazon. If we assume one person buys $100 worth of products, it will take 1,000 sales to get $5,000 in revenue. You will need a huge amount of traffic, which means ton of content. Next type is low volume but high commissions giving affiliate programs. For instance, luxury affiliate programs such as luxury fashion items, watches, or camera equipment are expensive products but require only few sales to achieve a good income as commissions. Then there are high volume and high commission giving affiliate programs. Affiliate programs in the finance niche, such as bank accounts, credit cards, including web hosting services and email marketing tools, are good examples of this category. However, since these programs are profitable, the competition is also high.